Hi friends, good afternoon. Today we'll discuss about adenium plant. This adenium plant will also called as a desert rose, and it's one of the beautiful plant, and it can be found in shades like white, pink, red colors also. And these adenium plants can be grown in outdoors and indoors also. These plants are will be grow in summer season only, and they will grow very nicely, and it also we can call as a very popular garden ornament. We can treat like that also, and it's available in different colors, pink, red and white colors it will come. And for to grow this adenium plant, the soil should be very important. The soil should always moist, okay, it is not should wet. Okay, we should not pour too much water for this adenium plant, and these adenium plants should be we should not give so much water, and this pot requires full drain system. That means no standing water should not be there in any pot. We can observe these plants, no standing water is not there, so it should be wet. And this adenium can be grow a very short and like a plump tree, and it will give very bushy flowers also if you grow very nicely. And this native of this adenium plants are East African and Arabian natives. And these adenium plants, it requires full sun location is very important for this adenium plant. And the second thing is the well drained soil is very important. And for this adenium flower, what are the soil we need? The soil is very important for this plant, right? For this plant we need a mixture of some cactus soil, and also with some gritty sand, or also we can use some rocks like this also. Okay, just little sand and soil, that is enough for to grow this adenium plant. With only little pot with correct fertilizers, correct soil and sand, it will grow very nicely. We do not require that much soil and that much sand for this plant also. And we can grow this like a bonsai plant also. We can observe these plants like bonsai plants. And for these adenium plants, it does not require daily water. Okay, and do not do improper watering to these adenium plants. If you do improper watering to these plants, it will kill the plant immediately. So don't pour water too much, especially in winter and spring season. Do not pour too much water. In summer season you can give daily water, but reduce the water in spring and winter seasons. And also keep that soil moist, and do not put so much water. Keep that soil moist. See, you can see my soil, it is very moist, it is not that much wet is not there, then only it will grow very nicely. And for this adenium plant, the fertilizers we need is like a half of 20-20 mixture. Okay, 20-20 mixture means 20% soil, 20% sand and 20% fertilizers. Like that, the dilution system we need for to grow these adenium plants. And these adenium plants, some of the plants, they won't give flowers that much. So some people will ask, why my desert rose is not blooming? How to get blooming from my these adenium plants? So many people will think about that. So when do desert flowers give blooms? So these flowers, it will give flowers uh, in spring and summer season only. Okay, and these desert rose plants may not produce blooms for several months also, but in spring and summer season it will give blooming. And if the plant is healthy and its growing condition is very good, and then it will give very nice flowers. And if the plant is not healthy and it is not growing under good conditions, it won't give the flowers. So the reasons behind the tree is not giving flowers is three reasons. One is repotting, and the second one is the sunlight, and the third one is fertilizers what we are giving. So these are the three reasons your adenium plants are not giving flowers. So the first thing is the repotting. So when do we do that repotting to your desert roses? So the repot should be done in summertime only. So summertime or mid spring time is the best time to repot your desert rose. Yearly once or once in a 2 years also fine for to repot these adenium plants. And also if you want to do pruning also, summer season is the best time to prune your adenium plants. And these adenium plants it will grow under the sunlight only. So if you repot this adenium plant or if you do pruning, then you placed in some other pots or you placed in the same pot also, but it needs to adjust in that environment. Okay, because it came from some other plant or it came from some other plant branch, so it requires to needs adjust that environment and where you placed. So this is also one of the reason the tree is not giving flowers. So it needs to adjust the environment first of all, and also and it needs to get energy. So the flower the tree should be healthy and the growing conditions, these two are very important for to giving of these adenium plants flowers. And the second reason is the sunlight. So the desert rose requires a plenty of sunlight. So due to lack of sunlight also it won't give flowers. So at least 5 to 6 hours of sunlight per day is very important for this desert rose plant. More even more sunlight also fine, at least 5 to 6 hours per day is the very important for these adenium plants. And the third one is the fertilizers. So fertilizers are very important for this plant to encourage flowering. But to encourage blooming of this plant, we need to give good fertilizers like a phosphorus rich fertilizer or any bone meal type. Okay, or like you can give some a dried banana peel powder also you can give for these adenium plants. So these three are the main reasons why your adenium plant is not blooming. So remember these 3 points: repotting, sunlight, fertilizers. These three are important for these adenium plants for to give very nice and very beautiful flowers. So guys, you had listened about these adenium plants, and you can if you want to do pruning of this adenium plant, cut this branch like in a 45-degree angle. So don't cut hurry bari, check that tree, cut in a 45-degree angle range, then you can repot that plant or place in the same pot also. It will grow very nicely. And pruning is also very important, and use very sterilized blades and knives only, because the tree will get infection. So that's why we need sterilized blades. And also don't pour too much water, and it needs to put in a wet, don't pour so much water. Okay guys, so you also take care of these adenium plants by remembering these 3 points: repotting, sunlight and fertilizing what you are giving. So make your adenium plant by growing in under the sun, and give little water, and give fertilizers yearly once, and repot also yearly once, and also put under the sunlight is a very much important point for to grow your adenium plant nicely. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.